ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again.
Welcome to Walk with M Dash. We're thrilled to have you here today with us. Today, we are going to Ortaköy, a historic neighborhood on the European side of Istanbul. Ortaköy is known for its beautiful views of the strait, its restaurants and cafes, and its lively nightlife.
Efendim, merhaba, hoş geldiniz.
Yeşil mutlu. Sana ikinciler bedava, yeşil mutlu.
Merhaba.
Biz bugün para almıyoruz arkadaşlar.
Biz bağırmıyoruz arkadaşlar, biz sadece çağırıyoruz. Kaliteli reklamı olmaz.
Ne yapalım o zaman?
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Merhabalar.
A lot of people visit here later at night because of the breathtaking view at night and the delicious fast food. Here you can see people dancing and celebrating their special days. The atmosphere is always festive and lively, and there is always something to do. Whether you are looking for a place to relax and enjoy the view, or to party the night away, Ortaköy is the perfect place for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more content. Your support keeps me going. Thank you once again for watching, and I look forward seeing you in my next video.